The method I showed in the first video didn't work though. So in this video I will show the second method. Even in this method, if your print quality is not good, then understand that your printer head is bad and needs to be changed. Of course, one thing to keep in mind is that if you clean the head in this way, your ink will be wasted. This software is free. Download and install it. Open and start from here with medium head clean. Put the syringe in the pipe of waste ink. Continue pulling back and pressing. %, working the first time. I will do the same again. I hope it will be 100%. Now it is 100% working. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.